Hello friends, I present to your attention the universal transducer holder. It's suitable for mounting of different transducers on the board of the fishing kayak, or on the belly boat, float tube. The design comprises tubes, tilt joints, the arm, the transducer mount and the adapter. The immersion depth of the transducer is 400 mm. There is a convenient arm, with which you can adjust the angle of rotation by turning the holder 360 degrees. The adapter is compatible with all BORIKA FASTen mounting systems. The main parts are made of fiberglass reinforced polyamide. The tube is made of powder-coated anodized aluminium. The range includes the holder for transducer mounting of the same model on boats and motorboats. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products, because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.